Suppose we have a table or any surface. Suppose we have a surface given and an object is kept on it. An object is kept on it. Coefficient of static friction is given mu s and its mass is given mg. Then how much will be the friction force? Find friction force. Find friction force. Object is kept on it. Object is kept on surface. Okay. So see, in this case, the maximum friction force, the limiting friction force is given by mu times normal. This is the maximum friction force or limiting friction force. Okay. And that is mu s, and normal is equal to how much? Mg. So this will be mu s mg. So this is the maximum value of friction force. But this is not the friction force acting on the object, because this is maximum friction force and the actual friction force can be anything less than this. So we will see how much will be the friction force. Since on this object there is no external force in horizontal direction, this is just kept on the surface. There is no horizontal force, external force. The friction force will also be zero. We had seen that the friction force, static friction force, is equal to the external applied forces. So the friction force will be equal to zero in this case. Why zero? Because applied forces are zero along horizontal direction. Applied forces along horizontal is zero. That's why. That's why it is zero. And this will not be our answer. This is just the maximum value of friction force. And the actual friction can be anything less than this. And this is our answer, zero.